Branding is the art of creating a distinct value proposition in the mind of your customers. The emotional connections you create that inspire action and loyalty to your product or service. So whether you're in marketing, insurance, consumer products, technology, the legal or medical professions, or real estate, your customers want to know why they should be doing business with you. And today's customers have more choices than ever before. Your network and internet marketing strategies must be well defined, along with social media strategies, because today's consumers are savvy and you want them sharing your content. At Slydog Production, we bring crews with national broadcast television experience to bear. Want more information? Simply contact us at 406-425-2742.